Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial I'll give you instructions to get rid of pop-ups related to the website Yourlinkforsafeupgrade.work. Remember that this is a very malicious resource currently attacking Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari and other Mac browsers. The pop-up displays the scary message saying that you need to install update for Adobe Flash Player. It says that your Adobe Flash Player is out of date and that you need to immediately implement this update. However, in reality, this fake installer of Adobe Flash Player leads to the installation of malicious software into your Mac computer. I want to assure you that Apple doesn't use any third-party websites for promoting its updates. And if there is any decent update available, you'll see a special notification in the System Preferences in the Software Update section. So you may click on it and check if there is any decent update available. But so far, Mac is up to date in my particular case, but the occurrence of these pop-ups may be the result of some adware in your computer. Be careful to research your available Mac applications by going to Finder and clicking on Applications. If you find something suspicious here in this list, check it carefully and remove suspicious items. Also, my suggestion is that you carefully research your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. And then after the application is successfully downloaded and installed, let it update its antivirus database, then click on Start Combo Scan to begin the complete investigation of your Mac. You'll see the report at the end of scan. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode, however the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the thread manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.